Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to quote reply on Twitter. First, locate the tweet you wish to quote. This feature allows you to share someone else's tweet while adding your own thoughts or commentary above it. It's a great way to engage in conversations and provide context to shared content, making your interactions more meaningful and personal. Once you've found the tweet, simply tap the retweet icon, which looks like two arrows forming a square. A small menu will pop up. Choose Quote Tweet. This opens a new tweet composer with the original tweet embedded. Now you can type your own message, up to 280 characters, above the embedded tweet, expressing your thoughts clearly. To make your quote tweet even more engaging, you can add media like images, GIF, or short videos. Just use the media icons in the composer. You can also mention other users by typing the @ symbol followed by their username, or include relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. This helps to expand the conversation and connect with more people. When using quote tweets, aim to add value to the conversation. Provide context, offer a different perspective, or share a thoughtful response. Always engage respectfully and avoid misrepresenting the original poster's message. It's a powerful tool for discussion, so use it wisely. Also, for an amazing reading experience, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.